Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix slow Wi-Fi or internet speed on iPhone. It could be iPhone 17, iPhone 16 and other. Before that, if you find this video useful in any way, like the video and subscribe to the channel. On your iPhone, you need to open Settings, tap on Wi-Fi and then locate Wi-Fi connection with which your iPhone is connected. And then tap on the eye icon next to it. Here scroll all the way down to DNS and then tap Configure DNS. Switch to Manual. Under DNS Server, if there are DNS servers added already, tap on the red minus icon and then tap Delete. Do the same for others as well. Now tap on Add Server and type 8.8.8.8. This is DNS server from Google and then tap Save. Your Wi-Fi will reconnect instantly. Now check if this improves the speed. If you didn't notice any changes to speed, then again go back to Configure DNS. Remove the Google DNS and this time add DNS from Cloudflare. That is 1.1.1.1. Tap Save and check if this fixes the slow internet speed issue. Now you need to keep in mind that not all the time you will get good internet speed from Google or Cloudflare DNS. So switch between these two DNS servers time to time for better internet speed. I hope this helps. Let me know if this quick tip improved the internet speed on your iPhone in the comments. Thanks for watching.